Hi guys, welcome back to Chandler's Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a pumpkin pie dump cake. And here are the ingredients you will need for this wonderful cake. And here I'm just adding my 1 can of pumpkin to my bowl. One can of evaporated milk, brown sugar, just adding my regular sugar now, ground cinnamon, salt, 3 eggs, and we're going to get this mixed up until everything's well incorporated. This is what it should look like. Now we can get the mixture added to our greased pan. Now we can get our bag of cake mix sprinkled on top of our mixture. And here I'm just taking a spoon to try to help me evenly distribute that out across the pan. Now it's time to add our melted butter on top of our cake mixture. And here I am, I'm just using that spoon again to try to help that butter get distributed evenly across the mixture. We're going to bake this at 350 for 1 hour. And here's what it looks like, guys, when it's done. It has that yummy looking crust on top. Here I have plated me some with some Cool Whip on top, sprinkled with some cinnamon. Doesn't it look delicious? Let's give this a try. So delicious, you guys. This will be an easy recipe to make for your Thanksgiving dinner. This is so delicious, guys. Please give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up.